y'all, welcome back. I know my hair is looking insane, so we're just gonna roll with it. I wanted to jump on here. Beachwaver sent me some goodies and I am so excited to smell them and see what they smell like. It's 2 new products, and also, little side note, I have a new code for them. They did update my code, and I believe now you get 20% off, but the code is different. So if you've been using my old code, scratch that, erase it. New code, Chelsea A20, and you get 20% off. Okay, so first product that we're going to try out is their Polynesian Pink Sugar Body Butter. Y'all, first of all, look how huge this thing is. And if you use my code and get 20% off, I mean, you're really going to get a deal. It's 8 ounces. Also, if you didn't know, this brand is cruelty-free, vegan, women-owned. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Paraben-free, sulfate-free, formaldehyde-free. I mean, y'all can see this gigantic list here, but it's like free of all kinds of stuff. So, super good brand, good quality, owned by women, so you're supporting female-owned business. Okay. Oh my Lanta, y'all. This smells amazing. Look how like thick and decadent and bouncy this is. Can y'all see this? It's literally like butter. Wish y'all had smell-o-vision and you could smell this through the phone, because I'm telling you, it's like, this might be my new favorite smell, like perfume-wise. It smells almost like cotton candy mixed with the beach. I don't even know how that's a smell, but it is amazing. It's literally cotton candy and the beach is what it smells like. Obsessed. Obsessed. Y'all are wondering why you have not seen me in a while. We have had some craziness, okay? Of course, we had Christmas and all that, holidays, so we were tied up with that. We've got 4 small children. The oldest is only 6, so I try to make it a priority to spend as much time with them while they're little as I possibly can. So there was that. Then, oh, this feels so good. And I have the worst dry skin. Like, I have psoriasis problems, eczema problems. My kids all got my dry skin issues. But y'all, like, my skin looks great. It feels good. It does not feel oily. It doesn't feel sticky. It just feels super moisturized. Like good, healthy, pretty skin. Oh, and the smell, I can't get over the smell, y'all. Oh, the smell is so good. They have other scents, but like, you have to get this scent. I want to get the perfume, like a big thing of perfume. It did send me this, which we're about to try out. But anyways, so we had Christmas, holidays, all that. Then 2 days after Christmas, we all got the flu. Yay! So we have just been super busy. We've got some other lingering sicknesses that are not the flu, so like something else is going on. And then on top of that, all my kids' birthdays are like bam, bam, bam right after Christmas. So we've just been crazy. But I'm trying to get back at it. If y'all have any ideas of like videos that you'd like to see or things you'd like me to give like an honest review on, drop it down in the comments. Let me know any suggestions. Y'all have got to try this. Use my code, get 20% off. This is amazing. And then they also sent me the same scent. Laundry's done. They also sent me the same scent. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. I like did a major update in our bedroom. We changed a lot of stuff. So we did the wallpaper. We added this like new wall over here. Like this pretty accent wall. We've got pretty like pictures. I haven't even shown y'all. The room is a mess, so don't judge. But like, how pretty is that? It turned out so pretty. It's been a long time too since we did it. Like, we did it over the summer, and I am just now like doing videos and showing y'all. But okay, anyways, back to this. This is their Polynesian Pink Sugar, which is the same scent, so I know I'm gonna love it. And it's their perfume, but it's in like a little rollerball type situation. I want to get the giant perfume because it smells so good. And now, of course, I can't open it because my hands are lotioned up. So good, so good. We're just gonna do a little dab here on the ears, on the hand. Oh, y'all, smells amazing. Some on this side. I could douse myself in this. It's like not a smell that's overpowering or strong. It doesn't have like a perfumey scent. It just has like a, ooh, what is that good smell? It almost smells like cotton candy. It smells like a beach breeze blew by ya. Someone's got cotton candy out on the beach. I don't know how to describe it, but it's amazing. I love it. Definitely getting a big perfume because I feel like my husband would love this. So I have the, what is this random light? Do y'all see that? There's like a random light shining. Weird. Anyways, I think it's like the Britney Spears Fantasy perfume. It kind of smells like that cotton candy scent, but it's not as strong and it smells a little more sophisticated than that. Also, I love the Juicy, the Viva La Juicy with the pink ribbon and the gold and all that. I love that. It has the same kind of sweet, like just good smell, but it's different. This is like way different as far as it's just got like a beachy scent mixed. It's so good. But anyways, what I was trying to say is my husband, that's like his like favorite ones that I wear are the cotton candy one. The Britney Spears one is like his favorite. He will love this. I feel like he's gonna love it. Y'all definitely need to go grab this smell. They're gonna sell out because it smells so good. Polynesian Pink Sugar. Use my code ChelseaA20 and you can get 20% off. Y'all go grab it. I'm gonna throw the link up here and it should take you right to there, but y'all are not gonna be disappointed. Y'all are gonna start seeing more videos, I promise. As always, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know if there's anything that you'd like for me to review or what kinds of videos y'all enjoy seeing from me. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. You don't know how much it means. Bye.